First thing to do is create a folder. So I will name this folder to SIA pipeline. SIA 2 pipeline. Then open your Visual Studio Code. Then open the folder you make. SIA pipeline 2. So under the folder, create another folder that names GitHub workflows, and another folder docs. Then go to your GitHub, then create new repository. So I will name my repository to SIA pipeline, SIA 2 pipeline, and create repository. So next is run this command to your uh, Visual Studio Code. So you already pushed the folders here. So let's see if there is. So let's get add all, get add all, get commit. First commit, then git push origin. So everything is up to date. So first, let's create a YML. So here in the workflows, let's add a file pipeline.yml. So I have here already a code. Then let's copy here. Then let's add, let's save. Then let's get add all, git commit, select git push origin. So let's see if it pushes in the. So here it's already pushed. So next step is go to your settings here. Then go to pages. So let's make a doc first. So let's find a contact. So contact us or about us HTML file. So let's copy here. So this is the about us. So let's push this git commit So let's see if it pushes. So here we have our docs about us. So let's rename this to index.html. So This is our index now. Then let's go back to the settings. Then go to pages. So here, let's let's choose main. Then the root file is the docs, the folder we created here. So let's save, and so it was already saved. Then let's go to the settings again. I mean your profile settings. Let's generate a token. So let's go here to the developer settings. So personal access tokens, then tokens classic. Then generate new token. So let's generate. So here, let's note this to SIA pipeline token. So let's check this repo, the workflows, then generate token. So we must copy this token. So it is copied. Then go back to your repository. Then go to settings and go to secrets and variables. Then actions. Then click this new repository secret. Then rename this to my token. Then paste it here, the copied token that we generated. So let's add secret. So here we see that the token is added. So let's try to update our index HTML. So about us, the ones. Then let's push this, get add all, get commit, update index, then git push origin. And then it's success now. So let's see if it will run. Let's see here. It's now deploying. It's now deploying. So it was deployed now. So let's check if it runs here. So now it runs. As you can see here, this is our about us, and it's all done. That's all how to make a pipeline.
Thank you for watching.